And as we know, the present day legal education has been facing a lot of challenges, and in the background of technology development and artificial intelligence and the challenges from the foreign national lawyers, foreign lawyers were also allowed to practice in India. And as we know, the lawyer is a social engineer. So, like an engineer who builds the building brick by brick, the lawyer has to build the society with a good moral values. As we know, whatever the national movement in the world, whether it was in America or other countries, and particularly in India, the Indian national movement was led by almost all the national leaders who were the lawyers. So that is the greatness of legal education. And as we know, law is not logic, it is human experience. And law keeps on changing with the changing needs of the society.